Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy. Today we are going to teach you how to remove arrows on desktop icons in Windows 10. Like this one. So let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to go to search box and type in regedit. So this is the best result. Registry editor. Right-click on it and then select Run as administrator. The registry editor will open. Now, on the left pane, double-click on HKey local machine to expand. Then expand the software folder. Next, find and expand Microsoft. Here it is. Search for the Windows folder. This one, expand it. Then search for current version folder and expand it. Next, find Explorer. Here it is, expand it. Now right-click the Explorer folder and select New, then click on Key. Next, rename the folder here to Shell Icons. Once you have created the newly created key, go to the right pane and then right-click on a blank area. Then click on New, then select String Value. You can rename it to 29. Like what I'm doing right now. Then double-click on it, copy and paste this value. You can check the description box to copy it, paste it here on the value data. Then click OK button, then close the window. Next, restart your PC. Once you turn on your PC again, you'll notice that the shortcut arrow is removed. That's it. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.